ओके ब्रो, सो बीजेपी हमेशा हिंदुत्व की बात कर रही है, कांग्रेस हमेशा एसटी एससी और रिजर्वेशंस की बात कर रही है. हमारे भी इलेक्शंस आने वाले हैं, मेरे को भी एक स्ट्रॉन्ग वोटर बैंक चाहिए जो मेरे को ऐसे ही फॉलो करेगा इतनी जिंदगी भर के लिए ऑलमोस्ट. हम क्या देखें, हम भी आप लोग की तरह सेक्टराइज करें पीपल को?
नहीं, कांग्रेस, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, कांग्रेस एससी एसटी रिजर्वेशन की बात नहीं करती. कांग्रेस कह रही है कि जो हिंदुस्तान का धन है वो फेयरली बांटा जाए, राइट? कि अगर आप दलित हो, आप ओबीसी हो, आप मुसलमान हो, ईबीसी हो, आप आदिवासी हो, आप सबको इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलनी चाहिए. ये ना हो कि 1-2% को सारा का सारा धन मिल रहा है और बाकी लोग चिल्ला रहे हैं. इफ आई से टू यू दैट आई एम गोइंग टू प्रोटेक्ट आदिवासी इंटरेस्ट्स, then those people are going to vote for me, right? So it's not a question of that you have a vote bank, it's a question that you act in the interest of someone.
Okay.
So the concept of vote bank is something that is nice to say in the media, but the reason that exists is because of your policies.
There are elections coming up in Bihar and this is mostly about that stuff.
Where you guys going?
Yeah. Recently, sir, I saw a video. It was a very old video, though, of 2012, and you were in Kashmir with the top 5 business tycoons of that time. You had brought them to Kashmir because the students were asking placements, and they felt that they didn't get as many. You brought them there. You showed the people what you could do for them. Why don't you do something similar in Bihar? You know, it would show the people what you can do for them. You know.
Today. Because if I take 5 business people to Bihar, the government will destroy their businesses. Right? So they'd be very nervous coming with me to Bihar because the government would be like, ठीक है भैया, राहुल गांधी के साथ बिहार गए, अभी दिखाते हैं तुम्हें. And I also would be a bit uncomfortable in hurting their interest.
Can you give me 3 reasons, sir, why Bihar citizens should vote for you? 1 for first-time voters, and 2 for middle-class people of Bihar citizens.
20 साल से वहाँ पे नीतीश जी की सरकार है, बिहार को मतलब ख़त्म कर दिया है. दूसरी बात, वहाँ का जो एजुकेशन सिस्टम है, चाहे वो प्राइमरी एजुकेशन हो, सेकेंडरी हो, यूनिवर्सिटी कॉलेज एजुकेशन है, वो ना के बराबर है, ख़त्म हो गया है. और वहाँ पे एक के बाद एक पेपर लीक. तो युवा वहाँ पे एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी करते हैं और फिर जो स्टेट को कंट्रोल करते हैं वो पेपर लीक कर देते हैं, अपने लोगों को पेपर दे देते हैं. यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में आरएसएस के वाइस चांसलर बैठा देते हैं. जो एजुकेशन का बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर है, कल मेरी बात हो रही थी बिहार के स्टूडेंट्स से, उसको ख़त्म कर दिया है. प्रोफेसर्स हैं जिनको मतलब अगर वो फिजिक्स पढ़ा रहा है उसको फिजिक्स ही नहीं मानो, बायोलॉजी पढ़ा रहा है उसको बायोलॉजी नहीं मानो. तो उन्होंने एजुकेशन सिस्टम को ख़त्म कर दिया है. हेल्थ केयर का सिस्टम जो है वो भी ख़त्म हो गया है, वो पूरा का पूरा प्राइवेटाइज कर दिया है. और वहाँ पे मतलब अगर आप दिल्ली में हो तो शाम को आप जाइए एम्स के फ्लाईओवर के नीचे, देखिए आपको वहाँ बिहार के लोग मिल जाएंगे, क्योंकि बिहार में इलाज नहीं हो सकता, यही होता है दिल्ली में. तो ये कारण है.
Dude, now I'm the national party president of Future Party.
What is Future Party?
We have 3 parties:
Okay.
Green Party, People's Party, and Future Party.
Green Party is the
Ruling party.
and the people
And the Future are in the opposition. So I'm the national party president of my party. I want to become the Prime Minister of India, Prime Minister of the under 18 world. So how do I, choose? How do I, gain trust of my fellow MLAs and MPs? Because in a party,
Does your brother trust you?
I don't have a brother,
Your
but
sister,
yeah,
does she trust you?
Yes, she
Trust
does.
you fully?
Yes,
How do you gain her trust?
it's inbuilt, I guess, because we are.
No, suppose you cheat your sister every 2 days.
Oh, I don't do that.
You don't do that, right?
I don't do that.
So how do you develop trust? By being consistent,
By being consistent.
by working in her interest. So that's how you gain trust of MPs. That's how you gain trust of anybody.
Okay, so you don't know
So you treat them
anything.
like your sister. If you treat them like an enemy, they won't trust you.
They won't trust me, obviously.
So now a game.
Sir, yes, a game. So, a small game. Now we are Gen Z. So, I'll give you a few words, sir. You need to tell me the meaning of
Now I'm
that
in
Gen
trouble.
Z slang.
Like
Now
yes,
I'm
sir.
in trouble.
Yes! I'll give you.
You can guess if you don't know.
You
but-
can guess if you don't know.
Now I'm in serious trouble.
Yeah.
But the words don't mean what they actually are.
Yeah.
Okay.
First word is cap.
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 Yes, cap.
Like you're capping.
You're capping.
No cap.
You're capping.
The biggest cap.
Cap.
Yes.
Like you're capping right now.
Oh, what the ruling party might be saying they're capping.
Oh, not at all.
So not being straight.
Like.
Yeah, not being straight.
Yeah. Riz.
What?
Riz.
R-I-Z-Z.
R-I-Z-Z.
Have a lot of
Riz.
Okay, I need to learn this language. Okay, Riz, energy.
Riz is short for charisma.
Charisma.
Energy.
Charisma. Yeah.
It works.
Tell me what Pookie means.
Pookie.
Okay, I am Pookie.
Come on, sir, you can do it, sir.
Huh?
You can do it.
Close.
Yeah.
She told me somebody who's you're really close to.
No.
Close one.
Okay, yeah.
Cute.
But look at the cute center way.
So not bad, huh?
Yeah.
I did
not
better than I
bad.
expected.
Yeah.
Not bad.
I did better than expected.
All of them
You
correct.
get all of them
How?
I don't know, I just guessed them. I think all of you guys should join politics. I think you guys need to change things because generations above you have been slow and we need you guys to get in that. Anything else?
It's wonderful talking to you, sir.
Nice talking to you.
Abstract art.
So guys, this is the official U18 Rahul line which will be launching. Please buy immediately.
My friend here is actually a very big classical dancer.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. So sign off all of her gurus and
Where? Here? Oh yeah, okay. Okay?
thank you so much, sir.
You know my mother, when I was small, with my sister, she sent me to Bharatanatyam class. One day.
Do we have photos?
One day I was out of there. In one day I was like, I'm done, thank you very much.